The DEA, or Drug Enforcement Administration, is a federal law enforcement agency that falls under the Department of Justice. The DEA is responsible for investigating federal drug crimes, such as drug trafficking, drug-related violence, etc., throughout the United States. Now, while the DEA is the primary drug enforcement agency for the United States, they do not investigate crimes regarding alcohol or tobacco, despite being drugs. Those duties lie in the ATF, which is another DOJ agency. Now, this is simply because alcohol and tobacco are very rarely regulated by the federal government in the way that the federal government regulates other sorts of drugs. Now, what I mean by this is basically ever since the 1930s, the federal government has slowed down its heavy regulating of alcohol and tobacco due to political tensions. Now, they still do regulate it, but they just don't illegalize alcohol and tobacco in the way that they illegalize other types of drugs, such as cocaine, and etc. And then the DEA basically it operates throughout the United States, and it has case jurisdiction basically over nearly all federal drug crimes. The DEA enforces the Controlled Substances Act of the United States Code. The DEA has domestic-wide jurisdiction across the United States and its individual territories to investigate federal drug crimes. Now, it derives its jurisdiction from Title 21 of the United States Code. Unlike the FDA OCI, the DEA focuses on investigating the illegal smuggling of federally regulated drugs, while the FDA OCI focuses on investigating the illegal use and non-pharmaceutical prescribing of federally regulated drugs. Now, while their duties are similar, their jurisdiction very rarely overlaps. The DEA enforces the Controlled Substances Act of the United States Code. DEA recruits train at the DEA Academy located in Quantico, Virginia. Training typically lasts between 18 and 20 weeks.